So
your backside is your best side?
I guess. No, I said this. I didn't say this.
Oh, I didn't see that part.
So we are at, we just finished this little step. Umbrella comes up, and we're into our new step. I'm going to start over here so I have somewhere to walk. Say that's where so I'm going to start walking heel, toe, scuff, heel, toe, scuff, heel. We'll do scuffs. Oops. Heel, toe, scuff, heel. Now I'm just going to pretend I'm going to go this way, just so that we can follow the feet. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, scuff, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, scuff, heel. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. So I'm facing in right now on my circle. Okay, so we'll talk through that. We do scuff, heel, toe, once. Scuff, heel, toe, scuff. Toe, heel, scuff. Heel, stomp, pull, toe, heel, stomp, pull, toe. Stomp. Breath, stomp, stomp, pull, toe. So we just did number 4. Keep the scuff in there. Pull, toe, heel. Stomp left, pull, toe, right. Stomp right, hold 6, and 7, pull, toe. Did that record okay?